Good morning everyone. So today we're in an absolutely incredible place. It's called Algodões. Still here in Bahia and still on the same peninsula that we were in the last video. So from Barra Grande it was about a 50-minute drive. So yeah, really easy drive to arrive here. And this is the little hut that we stay in, like the beach cabana. So I'll take you on a tour of that soon. And we love it because look at this view. Easily the best spot we've stayed so far already. So it is right on the beach. Beautiful big beach. Really white sand here as well. Pretty much deserted because this part isn't really that popular like the other spot that we went to. And apparently you can surf around here. I can already see the waves, so yeah, I might even do some surfing. The owner of the place that we stay in said people surf around that area over there. And yeah, some area down here. Loads of waves. So we have this really nice balcony area, got the hammock to chill in, so you can lie down here and have the beautiful ocean view, the beautiful sounds of the ocean, waves crashing. And then inside here is our little cabana. So you got the mosquito net, guess we're going to be needing that. Good sized bed, got a mini fridge here. Oh, they already have it fully stocked. Got the beers, guarana, some coke, and it is an AC room. And then the bathroom here is pretty modern too. So it's looking great so far. Was it $62?
$62 per night and includes breakfast.
That's an insane deal.
Yeah, it was a good price. I think it was a little bit more expensive on booking.com, so I contacted them on my WhatsApp and then they gave this price. So it's usually better when you contact the owners directly because you don't get the fees of booking or Airbnb.
Yeah. So we're gonna meet our friends now. They're staying at another place, I think right on the beach, about, I don't know, 2-3 minute walk from here. Wow, check out that beach out there. It's part of the same resort, I think.
Yeah, it is. It's a 2-floor house, I don't know.
2-floor cabana.
Yeah, 2-floor cabana.
Yeah, it's cool. They got more down there as well, so yeah, there's a few beach huts around here. Yeah, so we have to cross this river here. It's like a brown water river. Yeah, interesting color. Coca-Cola cow. You can drink it. Caraca, que lugar irado. Maneiro. Yeah, so this spot, Casa Del Mar, is an awesome place to chill out. They have these like little sheltered areas here where you can stay. Even if you're not staying here, I think as long as you come here and you're gonna consume something like drinks or food, yeah, you're allowed to come here. And look at this for a view. So you lie down. We're kind of high up, so yeah, you get like a good lookout spot here. Then over on this side there's even some hammocks to chill in, so you could hang out here as well. I ain't been in a hammock for a while. Whoa. Oh, that's nice. So it's good to show a spot like this because all the beach destinations that we've been going so far are like touristy ones, so everywhere's been quite busy. But in Brazil there's so many beaches, there's so many deserted spots like this, so if you're somebody that doesn't want crowds or anything, yeah, there's millions of options like this one here. Yeah, I think I might stay in this hammock. Yeah, the ocean here is pretty wild. I don't think I'm gonna bother swimming in there. Some people are going in over there. So we were planning to stay where Andrea and Larissa are staying here, but it turns out there was some sort of event going on, like a yoga event. So yeah, there's a big yoga event, loads of people doing yoga here at the moment, like a yoga retreat. So yeah, I can tell why, because this place is so relaxing, right? Not busy at all, perfect place for a yoga retreat. So we ended up coming back to that river that flows into the ocean. Look at the color now, it's like a bright orange color. Bizarre, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks very nice.
Yeah. É azul, né? Caraca. So we've come to a spot called Taipo now, which is another popular beach destination on this peninsula, and we've come here to rent some quad bikes, which is a popular way to get around here, so it should be fun. And this is going to be 270 for each of the quad bikes, so we're going to get 2 for the 4 of us. That's the company Terra Trip.
Can you do this?
Yeah. So this time I'm gonna be the one driving. You'll probably try later on, right?
Yes, I think I will give it a try.
Yeah, I'm used to only driving things that are automatic, but this is semi or semi-automatic. The guy just taught me a little bit though, so should be okay. So we're now on the main trail. Is this called Camilo das Bromélias?
Trilha das Bromélias.
Alright, Trilha das Bromélias. The bromelia you said is a kind of plant or a tree?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm guessing there's some of those trees around here. Loads of coconut trees. I've got a traffic jam. Oh no, somebody's stuck in a car. We almost came in our car as well, but ours is a 4x4, so we'd have probably been okay. This guy's tried to do it in a normal car. So it ended up being a big group that got stuck, but we all helped push the car. And now he's obviously not going to continue the trail. Let's go. Check this crazy path, guys. Alright, Andre is going for the other route. My fashion. So we just parked our quads in the shade and we're already hungry, so we're going to this restaurant that's up here, and I think it has a lake view. So you got the lake here and the ocean is just right here, like a 1-minute walk that way. Guess this is a popular spot because all the quads are here. Oh cool, so there's actually like a little beach on the lake.
Boa tarde. Boa tarde, meu irmão. Pode sentar onde, amigo? Aqui tá cheio. Não, eu acho que ali tem um pessoal que tá lá tomando banho.
Ah tá. Não tem um livre não?
Tem 11 ali, ó.
11? Quer sentar lá?
Pode ir lá pra 11 lá.
Obrigado. Obrigado.
Já vou atender você.
Tá.
E na emoção, assim.
Pretty nice, right?
Yeah. Chill place.
Yeah, chill place.
Eu quero.
Ow. The sand is boiling. The color's almost like the river.
Yeah.
Slightly different. This place is really cool. I didn't know the lake would be like this, and I didn't know there was a spot like this where you can chill out. The lake beach. I think you can walk all the way across right now as well. When we arrived, we could see people walking all the way from the other side, miles away. But they were able to walk. Are you walking to the other side, Carol? No?
Just trying to find a place where I can swim. But I think it's all shallow.
Yeah,
right?
I think it is. So far I'm actually enjoying these spots more than the beach.
Yeah, they're more different, especially for us that we go to a lot of beaches everywhere, but it's nice to see different things like this.
Yeah, and the ocean here is way too rough.
Yeah, it's too rough to swim, but good for surfers.
Yeah. Yeah, here's better to relax. So there's some little fish or something in here, and they're biting us.
Biting us.
Yeah. And eating alive. You can't see them as well.
They're piranhas.
Piranhas.
No, just kidding.
Piranhas. So we ended up having a nice meal there. Me and Carol just got some kind of fried fish, and that was 120 for the both of us, another shared meal. And then we just relaxed there for like a few hours, didn't do much filming. And now we're gonna head to a lighthouse that's supposed to be here nearby. Larissa is gonna try and drive theirs. Carol can't be bothered, right?
Oh, I don't think so. I just want to relax and
Want to be a passenger?
yeah, passenger for today.
But today, yeah, you're always driving,
Yeah,
so
so I need this break.
yeah. Now it's my turn. So this is the lighthouse. You can't go up it. We thought you could go up it, but yeah, that's not an option. So this part here is the river where we did the boat tour. I don't think we went around this area. We were way up there somewhere, but yeah, it was that same river. And the lake that we were just on is over there in the distance. You can't see it at all. Weather is really bad now though. Look at it. Looks like it's gonna rain over there. Super cloudy. You think it's gonna rain?
Yeah, maybe. If that cloud is coming this way.
Yeah, that looks like a rain cloud. Don't want to be on a quad bike in the rain.
No, no way.
So we're back at the beach hut again, just working on editing some videos, doing some work. I never really talk about it in the other videos about how long these videos take. Obviously you see these videos which are usually around 20 to 30 minutes, but yeah, they do take quite a long time. So I'm pretty quick at editing now, so I have been able to edit some around like 4 to 5 hours, but I think usually they probably take around 6 to 7 hours overall, just these normal kind of videos like today's. That's more or less the time. But if I'm doing other videos like travel guides that has a lot of layover footage, yeah, that can take ages. Sometimes it takes me like 2 days to edit overall. But this one right here should take around 4 to 5 hours, I think, hopefully. And it's not every day that we get to have this as our office. An amazing view like this. Had to edit many videos in strange places, awkward, uncomfortable places, but not today. Today we got it good. And Carol's in here as well. She's doing some work. Your office isn't as cool as mine.
No, yours is more comfortable and has a better view.
More comfortable? You're in a bed.
Yeah, but it's not.
Not good for your back.
No.
We can swap. You can get my spot later on. So that's it here from Algodões. We've absolutely loved this place. The spot that we're staying, you're able to have breakfast overlooking the beach. So beautiful place to have breakfast. And I didn't mention the name, it's called Pousada Mar dos Algodões. So a great place to stay. Probably the most relaxing place we've ever stayed in Brazil, I think. Not even just in Bahia, probably Brazil overall. It's just super quiet. The center, there's still restaurants and stuff, a few little restaurants, but yeah, it's so quiet. All the streets are completely empty. Never really hear any noise, only the ocean, but that's amazing. But yeah, there's no like construction or anything, so yeah, it's like the perfect relaxing escape here in Bahia. So if that's what you're looking for, yeah, this is the place. And I think we got one more video coming out from Bahia. That's the plan anyway. We're gonna be heading to another spot, which is an island, and our friend said it's even more relaxing and beautiful than this place, which I'm not sure how that's possible, but that's what they said, so we'll see. So if you like this video, just drop a like as usual to support us. Subscribe if you like to see more videos like this. Follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next one.